Hello everyone, welcome to KQ ISM 2020, and this round is Shoutout. Shoutout round is based on a famous game show Family Feud, in which two opposing teams take turns to answer as many as they can before the time runs out. And there will be two questions per round, 5 minutes per question, and up to 10 answers and a total score of 100. Players in two opposing teams take turns to answer each question. And when the time starts, the first question from the starter team must be answered within 30 seconds, and followed by the next answer within 20 seconds. And now for the time to start and go.
Go. The first question, what is the clinical findings of viral conjunctivitis?
Lid swelling.
Swelling. Yeah, this one is correct and
and it is correct and in time, which is 30 seconds. So they will got the scores according to the answer that they gave. So in this case, you got 14 scores. Okay, move on. The next answer, 20 seconds starts. Okay, time's up. Okay, so team A couldn't make it in time, which is 20 seconds. So we will count it as one strike. So they got one more chance left before team B can steal their chance to answer the rest. Yes.
And now for 20 seconds and go.
Follicular conjunctivitis.
Yes, correct. Okay, so team A got the correct answer and within time, which is 20 seconds, so we'll move on. 20 seconds starts.
Corneal infiltration.
Okay, correct answer. So, correct answer within time. Move on, you got a point.
Mucopurulent discharge.
Okay, wrong. It's incorrect.
Oh no.
So, it is 2 strikes already. So, Team B will got a chance to steal and answer the rest of the yellow box. Okay, Team B, you can start your 30 seconds now.
What?
Okay, time's up. Team B, you couldn't make it in time. So it will be counted as one strike. You got one more strike left before Team A can steal it back. So answer, 20 seconds, go.
Watery discharge.
Correct. So, okay, move on to the next answer.
Preauricular lymphadenopathy.
Okay, correct answer. And now for the next answer will be 20 seconds, go.
Severe pain.
Okay, so this one is incorrect, and now Team B has a chance to answer the question. And now for 30 seconds and go.
Subconjunctival hemorrhage.
Correct answer, and within time. So the next answer, 20 seconds, go.
Itching.
Okay, no, it's incorrect. So you got one more chance to go before Team B can steal.
Bilateral manifestation.
Incorrect. Okay, so you don't have a chance anymore. Team A, you can start now. Oh, okay, the time is up, which is 5 minutes have passed already. So you will notice the two boxes at the bottom. The green box will show that you got two more chance to guess it wrong. So if you have the wrong answer, the box will change to orange color. And if it's to answer that you got it wrong, it will be changing to red color, as you can see here. And the other team will get the chance to answer the rest of the question. Yes? Thank you.
Thank you.